Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Now I will do acceleration and regen test. Here in the Maps and More app you can see how much power is being used, but this is an instant consumption, so this is on 100 kilometers. So the regen that you will see is not how much kilowatt regen you get, it's a consumption number. So only at exactly 100 kilometers an hour you see the power, so the real kilowatt that regen has. And I will accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, which in GPS speed is around 95, and I will do this in normal mode, Eco and Eco Plus. So let's hope that the traffic is not as bad so I can do it. We're in B. Everything else is off, climate is off, lights are off. I have to go to that road there and then we'll do that. Hopefully it's not busy. And nobody there, that's perfect. And stop. And 3, 2, 1, go! That's full. And now it was perfect traction. Let's go to 105. Then regen. Yeah, it takes so long in the Maps and More till it shows the regen, and when I press on the brake, get even more regen. Yeah, but the consumption number on the Maps and More takes so long, and it's the same here. So if I go here to, where's my average consumption? Maybe we'll do it here. Maybe this is better. Do that again. But that was a good acceleration. I was fine with that. Do that in Eco. Core coming. Yeah, and stop. Eco and full. Ooh, it's way less. Ooh, yes, you can feel it in the beginning. Oh yes, that is way less. 105 regen. How's the number in the thing? It's the same. And then if you press the brake, it goes to full regen. Yeah, we do that again on the other way because this was maybe a tiny bit downhill. Let's do that again. Yes, Eco does something. Climate totally off. Regen. Core. Is someone coming? No. Go to the same spot. Stop. 3, 2, 1 in Eco. But it has 100%. It's really different. 110. Regen. Yeah. And now let's do it in Eco Plus. They say that the motor to the power is even more reduced. Not busy. Eco Plus. Ooh, I'm bit scared. Let's go here. Let's do 2 rounds first. Oh. I don't think it's different. When you do kickdown, it's the same thing. Even in Eco Plus. It says the battery. Now the motor is a bit warm and I get a tiny bit reduced power. There's 5 bars and I think I have 3 before I had 4. 4. Did I ever see 5? I don't even know. Let's do the same thing again in Eco Plus. Regen, that's full regen. Ooh, I need real brakes. Nobody's around me. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. Same spot. Nobody's here. 3, 2, 1. Eco Plus. Kick down. I don't think it's different. I really don't think this is different. Alright, go back to normal. And then of course we have put it in D. Now it's Regen 1. That's almost no regen at all. Regen 2 is stronger. Regen 3 even more. And then we have B for full regen, which is regen level 4. The other one was 3, sorry. I can't even count. Too stupid to count. Oh, that was fun, huh? Driving like this is always fun. Let's do it again from here, but in normal. See if there's any difference. Stop and maybe it's in the beginning a bit different. I don't know. We'll see it. We'll see at the time what the time says. And 105. Put the heat back on. It's cold. Yeah, you must think I'm always cold. I'm not. Just in this car. Well, in most electric cars. Okay, that's it. Thank you much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.